You know what I love to do when there's two sets of gloves?
Show me. All hands on deck.
All hands on my chest. Look at that. You get everything that is on me right now, minus my shirt and apron. This is 2 pair of the oven gloves from Temp-tations. This is Tara Tescher, the designer, the CEO, and the president of the company. All that is one person. Exactly.
It is.
We are thrilled you're here. First of all,
you.
welcome back, friend.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice to see you.
These.
And these are the oven gloves that you're going to want to reach for because they help you maintain dexterity.
Absolutely.
They also protect your hands and
do.
your forearms.
You're absolutely correct.
And we have these in small and large.
Yes, which is great, which was a huge request from all of you. You know, when we first started this, we had one size, and then we constantly heard, you know, hey, I have a smaller hand, hey, I have a little bit of a larger hand. So we like to say a small is a small medium, and then the large is what David's wearing. That's a large, extra large. I have worn the large. I do like the small a little bit better. But the reason why I designed it was everything David just said, extended cuff. So when you're reaching into that oven, I have more burns on my wrists than we should talk about. So it's going to protect it. It's got silicone on the front and back, so there's no right hand or left hand. It creates a non-slip grip, so it's super great in the kitchen, super safe. It has layer upon layer of protection, so even taking this out to the grill and barbecuing, whether you're flipping potatoes or corn on the cob, you can reach right in there and do that. The only thing you're not going to want to do is get them wet while you're using them. That's the only rule.
Yeah, and you're going to find that these are machine washable, and you want to hang them to dry because they have silicone on both sides. Now, I have meat hooks bigger than a Grilla, and these are going to fit me. If they fit me, they're going to fit most people. Now, Tara, let me ask you a question.
Sure.
You just put a hot, boiling tea kettle on your hand. Do you feel some warmth?
I feel a little bit of warmth, but it's certainly nothing that would be burning me. We know how hot that tea kettle gets, that enamel on steel, that cookware. I can literally hold it, David, and yes, I'm feeling a little heat, but it's nothing. I can get across the room. I can bring it to the table. I can come in and out of the oven. Would you like it? You tell me.
Okay, first of all, yes, I feel a little warmth.
Yep.
Is it scalding or burning me? No. And that's what makes this great. You heard it whistling.
Yes.
This was boiling hot.
Yes.
Now, do I feel some heat in here? Sure I do. Is my face wincing?
It looks adorable.
No, it's not.
And when I take it and put it back, you'll hear it boil pretty much right away. So that's what's amazing about it, because that heat holds all of that.
It's boiling.
It's boiling.
Wow.
Exactly.
Wow. All right, so we go through.
Let's do it. I think we got them all back here.
Let me ask Mike, this will make this a little easier. Do we have every size and every color or in pattern or no? Okay, no, we don't. All right.
You thought we were going to make it easier.
I thought we were going to make it easier. But all right, so if you are looking for the black, and this is the black classic, this includes both Old World and Floral Lace.
Correct.
So do we have black in large and small? Okay, and you get 2 pair.
Yeah, so 4 total gloves.
4 total gloves, right? This is gray damask. Do we have both large and small? Yes. How about blue? Yes. Green. Palfetti.
Love. We just got those back in stock.
We have both large and small, but don't wait because Palfetti will sell out first.
Always does.
Trust me. I've been here more than one day. All right. This is called Believe. And we have both large and small. Watermelon. He's checking lots of SKUs.
Oh, I know. Sorry.
Yes,
Sorry,
we have
Mike.
both large and small. This is Hello Yellow. Just large.
Oh, okay.
Last call and just large.
Okay.
All right. Is this ice cream?
Ice cream cone?
Just large, last call.
Oh, wow. All right.
This one, is this garden?
This is garden.
Garden. You checking? Is garden not available at all? We don't have that at all.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Never mind.
And then what you're wearing, which is that patriotic, David, that I love. The red, white, and blue, the firework detail that you see there. And again, that silicone on the front and the back.
Small and large and patriotic.
Love.
Which I'm pretty happy about because that's my favorite.
All right, so a couple of things. We showed you the tea kettle already. Here's the other thing. This was my mom's brilliant idea. So as she's gotten older, she said she doesn't have the strength in her wrists anymore to pick up things like cast iron or those heavier stock pots and things like that. The fact that she can slide her hand directly underneath this, she can take it right over to the sink and then, of course, do whatever she needs to do and not have to worry about putting her hand here. And again, even touching, like, I don't recommend that you do, but these are the things that when you're reaching into the grill, when you're turning the potatoes or
into
turning
the oven.
the corn into the oven, you don't have to worry about burning yourself.
Yeah, I mean, these are
steamy.
great. And, oh, pasta.
Hello, old friend.
Hello, old friend. This is lovely. Maybe you're grilling and you need to grab, have you ever done grilled regular baking potatoes or sweet potatoes on the grill?
Yes, of course.
Yummy.
It's the only way to do it
Yeah,
in the
really
summertime.
fantastic. In the summertime. And then you can reach in there and just grab those off the grill
Exactly.
if you need
Or
to.
turn
And they're
them.
piping hot, right?
Yes. This is the other thing. This for me was a game changer. I am constantly, so my granddaughter, Elliot, loves when I make bacon. She's always like, GT, make the bacon. But when I go to flip it, it's
What does
always
GT stand for?
Grandma Tara.
Grandma Tara.
Yep. So when I go and flip it, inevitably it splatters onto my hands or my wrists. I would get these gloves just for the bacon alone. The fact that you're getting 2 sets, you could leave one out at the barbecue, you could leave one inside the house, and this is what you will use day in and day out because it's a safer way in and around your kitchen.
And you're going to love also that we can do
Thank
this
you.
for you at a time when we are around heat sources. Now, it doesn't have to be just the kitchen. It could be the grill, as you talked about.
Sure, exactly.
It could be the fire pit if you're making s'mores,
great idea.
right?
Great idea with the fire pit, yes.
Because you know what? You got the fire pit going, you got a big s'more kit outside,
Yeah.
and you've got molten lava marshmallows,
Which are delicious.
which are
With a
delightful,
little
but
chocolate.
they'll take the skin off your fingers, right? If you take them right
And
out
the
of the
roof
fire.
of your mouth.
And the
Take
roof
it
of your
from
mouth
me.
if you eat them too fast. Exactly. Look at this. Now, this is a boiling hot
Yep,
tea kettle.
there it is.
Now, do I feel a little heat? Of course I feel a little heat because this is a boiling hot tea kettle, but it is not burning or scalding me.
Right.
And that's the important thing. Now, I can touch this, bump into this, and not be worried about it. And just to prove to you, listen to this.
It's like on demand.
On demand, immediately,
Right.
right?
Exactly. I'll just do that so we turn the little whistle
So we
off.
don't hear
but
the
you
whistle.
could use these as trivets also, David. So if you're taking Carol's mac and cheese out of that Oster oven over there, you could use one of these. Thank you. See how that works?
It was like
Thank
Pavlov's.
you.
It was like Pavlov's dog.
All I had to say was Carol's mac and cheese, and David's on the run.
I'm already on
But
it.
look, you can use them as a trivet,
trivet.
for under your bakers if you wanted to. So again, this is also in a pinch because you're getting all 4.
And this recipe,
Yeah.
the 8 cheese mac and cheese, is under David's
8
recipes.
cheese?
There are 8 cheeses in this. Wow. It's so good.
Look at that.
I can't even begin to
I
tell
might
you.
have to take that home.
Yeah, well.
Gail's
and
coming for dinner. We're making steaks. Steaks and mac and cheese.
to be your side.
Right?
Get Carol to put that in a big container for you,
Hey,
and then
Carol.
call me and tell me what it's
Actually,
like.
I'll just snap a storage lid on it and call it a day.
Well, then call me and tell me what it's like. Yeah, but if anybody wants to make it, it's the 8 cheese mac and cheese that's listed under David's recipes
Delicious.
on QVC.com, and it's wonderful.
Adore you.
Nice. I
You're
adore you more.
wonderful.
Hey, listen, I understand you're going to be taking a little vacation.
Yeah, we're going away for a little bit.
So you enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Be safe.
Thank you,
We'll
thank
see
you.
Lisa in your absence.
You will. We're
All right.
celebrating Ed's big birthday, so.
Well, you all have safe travels.
Thank you. I'll
Nice
see you
to
guys soon.
All right, and